Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Make sure to hit the link down below to our sponsor, toys.ride.com. I hope you enjoy this video, and thanks for tuning back in.
Mike, and I am the videographer here at UniqueMechanics. What I want you to do is subscribe to the channel. Here is my logo. It is a subscription button. Make sure you hit it. It'll take you to the following page to subscribe. Why subscribe? So you can get frequent notifications regarding most recent uploaded videos. If it's a car video, if it's a watch video, if you love them, I want you to continue watching them and continue to get notified. Make sure you do so I can see you here next time. Thanks for watching.